All right, guys, we're down having a look in the chat with Ray here. So we've got the GAF Asphalt roof system. Pretty unknown product in Australia. It is around, but it's not as commonly known as colour bond or roof tiles. Ray, can you talk us through, mate? We've had a great look. It's an incredible product. You talk us through the components?
Yes, certainly. And you're right, it's new to market. In America, 80% of the houses in America have this on their roof. And we're now introducing this package as a GAF roofing package into Australia. So, and what the components consist of is once you've got your trusses on and the frame is there, moving quickly to lock up, then you've got a board. So you've got a ply board here, which you ply the whole roof, and that gives you rigidity in the roof, strengthen the house, but also it controls your ventilation as well. Stops any rubbish getting inside, like some of the other roofing systems where leaves and dust and dirt get underneath it. Yeah, it doesn't happen with this. So once you get the ply on, then you put on your flashing. So this is a drip edge flashing that will take the water and drop it into, if any water did get underneath the tiles, we'll drop it into the gutter and run it away. So it keeps it away. So once you've got your ply down, you've got your flashings down, then you roll this over. This is a waterproof membrane, so we wrap the whole roof in this, we tack it down, and we leave it there, and it's fully waterproof while we do other jobs, we get the flashings done, etc. And then you start laying the shingles. So the shingles are laid across, so we do a shingle. First of all, we put down the starter strip. This is the starter one, just to fill any gaps that are in the bottom. Then we put the shingles down. So the shingles are laid. I'll just get this one here. Sorry to go off camera. So we just put the shingles in, and then we have a nail line that we run the nail lines through. You can see on the shingles, the overlap that you have here is for water protection. So any water that ingresses up has to travel a long way, and so it doesn't happen. So you put the shingles on, and then you just layer the shingles through. Once you get up to the ridge line, then it's time to cut out that vent. So you cut the top vent out, which is 20 mil of the board, and you cut the waterproof membrane out, and then we put in a mesh system which stops vermin, dust, particles, etc.
That's an ember mesh.
Ember mesh.
Yep.
This one is a Val-rated ember mesh. And it gives a better, flatter appearance. When all this sits down, you can't even see that there's anything there. So then this is the ridge cap that goes over the top. So as you can see, it's a full package that goes from on top of the trusses through to sealing a roof system.
And it's one thing I like about it is too, your full carpentry team can control the whole roof. So it reduces another trade on site, and pretty cool product. So
and you're right about that, because this is timber, and it's nailed down with a nail gun. So this is the flashing, it's nailed down with a nail gun. This is shingles, nailed down with a nail gun. And that's what a carpenter does.
That's it.
So the builder controls that whole process. He controls the rate. He controls the cost. So it's a very good match for a builder to get involved with.
And I like the finish. So going to try and get this on one of our jobs.
And this is a mid-range finish. This is called Timberline. And we've got a stand just over there, which you should have a look at. And one side is that one, which is slate line. It's a slate look-alike. And then the other side is the Royal Sovereign, which is a standard single layer. So they run in, the Royal Sovereign is a single layer, so it's very thin. Not high in wind protection at 96 kilometres an hour. This is 2-layer, so it's 208 kilometres an hour. And that slate line is 3-layer, and it's 208 kilometres an hour. So the wind rating is very high on these.
That's fantastic, mate. Thanks for stepping us through. Hopefully you show some more insights into it, and a product that we might see a bit more of coming up.
Thank you.
Thanks, mate. Awesome.